Welcome. Today we are diving into one of the biggest debates in mobile development: progressive web apps versus native apps. Which one is the right choice for your next project? We will compare them on installation, performance, and cost. First, let's define native apps. These are applications built specifically for a mobile operating system, like iOS or Android. You download them from the App Store or Google Play Store. Think of apps like Instagram or Spotify. They are powerful because they live directly on your phone. On the other side, we have progressive web apps or PWAs. These are essentially websites that look and feel like mobile apps. You can access them through a browser, but they can also be installed on your phone, work offline, and send push notifications, all without needing an app store. Let's compare how you get them. Native apps have high friction. You must go to the store, search, sign in, and wait for a large download. PWAs are instant. You just visit a link, tap Add to Home Screen, and you are done. No store approval required. When it comes to raw power, native apps usually win. They have direct access to your phone's processor, making them perfect for complex games. PWAs run inside a browser engine. They are fast enough for most business apps, but might struggle with heavy graphics. What can the app do on your phone? Native apps have full access to everything: Bluetooth, contacts, and advanced camera features. PWAs have come a long way. They can use your location and camera, but they still have limitations with features like accessing your contact list or SMS. Storage is a big factor. Native apps are heavy, often taking up hundreds of megabytes. PWAs are incredibly light, usually less than 1 megabyte, because they load data from the web. Also, PWAs update automatically when you refresh them, while native apps often require manual updates. If you are a business owner, this is crucial. Native apps often require two separate codebases, one for Apple and one for Android. This means two teams and double the cost. PWAs use one codebase that runs everywhere, saving you significant time and money. How do people find you? Native apps are stuck in the App Store, where competition is fierce. PWAs live on the open web. This means they show up in Google search results, and users can share them by simply sending a link to a friend. So, which wins? If you are building a high-performance game or need deep system integration, go native. But for e-commerce, news, or a startup looking to launch quickly with a lower budget, a PWA is often the smarter, more modern choice.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.